So I'd like your personal opinion about Fiverr, and this is mine. So welcome to All About Stocks. My name is Alan. I am personally thinking Fiverr might be in a place for a takeover bid, or they might be a takeover target. Now, this is why. Now, of course, you have Fiverr, where they just went from a high of 323 to now 36.67. So they're currently at a 10% of their all-time high. Now, of course, if we go into a recession, then you would expect Fiverr to be that company to be where everyone or everybody could go to sell or work at to make extra money. However, I went to do just that. I went to make a little extra money. Now, I opened up an account. I was already a buyer at Fiverr. Now, I went ahead and said, hey, I want to make a little extra money. I'll become a seller. I was approved. Now, they turned around after they had already approved me. They already took my tax information. They took all this information from me. I was already a seller. I had the seller icon, all this. Now, right after I had made my account and I went to post my first gig. When I posted my first gig and my gig was listed, the gig then got rejected after it was posted. Then they told me there was an issue with me posting a gig, and then they turned around and denied me being a seller. Now I asked them, hey, what's going on here? And they said, thanks for reaching out with us. We understand that you tried to open a seller on a profile. We received a response explaining that your response explained you requested wasn't approved. I believed it was. Now, it said it was. Everything said I was approved. They took my tax information. Unfortunately, this decision can't be changed. You're a seller, so let me add to that. If you put in something wrong or something isn't right, then you might be the best person for a gig, and if they deny you, then you can no longer be a seller. So you might be the best person in your field, but if Fiverr denies you once, that's it. Your seller profile wasn't approved, but you are welcome to continue buying from us. Of course, buy, don't sell. So I went ahead and asked them, let's see what I asked them. I asked them, wait, so I can be a seller, but there's no reason why I can't be a seller. See, I said, wait, so I just can't be a seller? There's no reason? Now they came back and said, the process was created to meet the growing demand for high quality services on Fiverr. Now, we all know I am not great with YouTube. I do not make the greatest videos. We will all agree to that. I am working on that. But there are some things, as far as tech, I am very good at. Now, kindly be advised that this information is related to our internal systems and procedures. Seeing as this is the case, this information is proprietary and can't be shared with our users. Okay. Now, I said, wait, so I can't be a seller? There is no reason. Once again, I asked the same question. Thank you for reaching out to us. about this issue. We understand that you tried opening a seller profile and received our response explaining your request wasn't approved. Unfortunately, the decision and your seller profile wasn't approved in Fiverr. As a buyer, if there isn't anything else we can do, please let us know. Okay, they do not want to answer the question. Okay. So I asked them, I made an account to be a seller, but for some reason I am not able to be a seller. Could you please let me know what I did wrong so I can fix the mistake? Thank you. And they just came back with, I understand how you may feel about this regarding your account, and you would like us to remove your personal information. I did ask them to go ahead and take all my personal information down and delete it due to, hey, if they get hacked, I do not want any of my personal information just in case of security, cyber hacking, so forth. Now, that made me start thinking, okay, with the fact that Fiverr is going to have the potential of huge growth, we're going into a recession, and where is it here? So, but we're going into a recession, and with the metaverse, where is it here? The metaverse coming up, and then Shutterstock, and when it jumped up, just about what was it, 1,200%. And my last one would be right here. Nasdaq bears 5 unparalleled growth stocks, and Fiverr's #1 on it. So we have just non-stop growth right here expected. So I'm sitting here thinking, okay, well, everyone's saying that just growth, growth, growth. Okay, is there a possibility that even with increased volume, average volume right there, over, that's their average volume, there was a decreased volume right here. So, is there a chance that Fiverr's being looked at for a takeover bid? I have not seen many, but is this a possibility? Let me know what y'all think. If I'm right, I'd love to be. I'd love to know beforehand. I've never been right beforehand on a takeover, but I would believe this would be a great opportunity if it is. So if there's someone with a little bit more experience who has an eye for that, please let me know. I know my viewers would love to know as well. So please share the experience with us. Thank you, and happy trading, and have a great day.